Can we cancel and rebook in same transaction?
It's never advised. Most of the airline cannot process both the transactions together in one single transaction. Hence, it should be done separately. And if done together, then such PNRs even become non-receiving.
How important is ticketing element in PNR?
Ticketing element is extremely important. Make sure that you do not miss auto TTL sent by the airlines in the OPW or OPC element by manually putting ticketing element to a day or 2 days or 3 days before. It is even advised to send your intended TKTL to the airline via other service information OS messages.
Is it important to check MCT manually?
Yes, it is extremely important to check MCT minimum connecting time at your end because in such cases, airline may not give you error and in turn, airline will not revert you with the airline PNR number.
Who controls e-ticket coupon status?
E-ticket coupon status is entirely controlled by the airline and it cannot be changed by Amadeus.
Can we use any free flow information and special characters in OS or SSR?
Free flow information is fine, but a travel agent should never use special characters in the OS messages, as otherwise these messages are not transmitted to the airlines and hence are not processed.
As Amadeus PNR is generated instantly, does airline PNR number RLR also gets generated immediately?
Most of the airlines revert you with the airline PNR number or record locator RLR within 4 hours, but there are few airlines which may take up to 12 hours. If you have not received airline PNR number even after 12 hours, then you must contact the airline service desk.
If airline RLR has not been generated, then can we cancel previous PNR and create another one?
No, it would lead to duplicacy when PNR numbers are synchronized later. It's better to contact airline service desk.
Can we reuse previously cancelled or expired PNR?
No, an inactive PNR which has been expired or cancelled due to any reasons like no show, segment flown, or expired TKTL should never be revoked and it should never be worked upon. You can build a fresh PNR. You may even use copy commands to build a fresh PNR, but it's advised to work on the fresh PNR and not to revoke any previous PNR.
How important are queues in Amadeus?
Queues allow airlines, travel agents to send and receive messages for those PNRs which require action. Hence, queues are extremely important. Who like to wait in the queues? No one, right? Travel agent should make sure that he or she checks the queues every day in the morning and takes action on the required PNRs well on time. More number of PNRs in the queues means more number of PNRs on which action needs to be taken.
Can I retrieve and claim PNR made on any other GDS or on airline system in Amadeus?
Yes, travel agent can retrieve bookings of only LTI reservations and can claim PNR provided that particular airline provides PNR claim in your market in your country. And to check which airline is providing claim in your country or to check if that particular airline is providing the PNR claim rights in your country or market, you may use a single command which is GGPCA followed by the airline code. I'm sure these answers would help you perform ticketing error-free on the Amadeus system. Along with knowing the Amadeus system very well for doing ticketing for pricing on the lowest fares, it is also extremely important to know the rules and regulations which must be followed for international ticketing. So keep growing, keep learning, Thank you.